So my husband and I are a real estate team, and we've used Postcards for years. Gosh, we've been using Wise Pelican now for almost a year, and mainly because of the ability to pinpoint with the polygon around certain streets, and it helped our marketing become extremely targeted and intentional. So we've used and gotten great results from Postcards in general for years. This has become much more valuable to our clients by pinpointing our presence on a certain street, in a certain neighborhood, in a certain sector. I don't have to waste money by putting a general message out there to everybody. We've gotten very, very specific to who it's going to and the message that's sent. So in a lot of ways, that's helped our marketing dollars go down, and making sure that who I'm sending it to is getting the right message, and the people that need to hear it. Wise Pelican, I treat as the cherry on top that just kind of took our marketing to another personal targeted level. So maybe it just kind of sealed the deal. We were mailing out to 15,000 people a month in a certain suburb of Birmingham, Alabama. Since then, we have taken the money we were putting into that and done these specific neighborhoods, look at what we've done in here, look at how we've helped your neighbors. Our commission would range from anywhere from $5,000 to maybe $12,000 to $15,000 per listing. So I think it just kind of escalated the fact of you don't want anybody else's sign in your yard except ours. Wise Pelican just really solidified our presence in that farmed, targeted, marketed area that we were using. We were spending it was pushing $3,000 a month on Postcards. And they were great. And they did work over time. But we've been doing it for at least 8 years consistently. So I started shifting my marketing ideas of where my dollars were going to go. But we started that whole, hey, we just sold your neighbor's house for this. And we were able to say, okay, I don't know, draw a circle or send this out. Once we sent it out, my parents lived in that neighborhood and they didn't get it. And I'm like, hold on. That just cost me $400. It didn't go to a single neighbor I wanted it to go to. And so we were like, we have to pivot. We know what we want to accomplish with these targeted, focused postcards, but we got to find the platform to do it. I'll give Chad the credit on that. He's the tech guy and the research guy, and he found it. And then I learned how to use it. Wise Pelican gave me the exact method of getting this message out that other postcard companies that I tried did not. It didn't give me that control of literally drawing around. I want this street. And even in a neighborhood, I can have it mapped out where I bought the addresses, which I love. That makes it so easy. Wise Pelican just gave us that tool. And I mean, it's changed the way I do all of it to be more consistent. Yes, a little more per postcard, but the quality was far greater. I mean, not only would I, but do I. So we're with the eXp Realty, and we help and support and help new agents get started. And so that is one that I have consistently put in front of them. I love Wise Pelican because there's if I want to just pick 25 houses to market to consistently at about $1 a postcard on average, that's just not impossible. If I just want to pick my street I live on and market to those people, you can do it on your own budget. I do recommend it. I show people how to use it, and I show them the results that we've gotten from. What I love the most is that I got a real person, a real life person that was able to problem solve with me, troubleshoot with me. I always know that I can contact somebody that understands it and it's going to help me maneuver through it. I've only had to call a couple of times to get that extra hand. It's pretty user friendly, not hard to figure out, but when you do hit a bump, you don't feel like you don't have somebody supporting you. So I got a real person, real names, a person to contact back is very personal. It's not like this huge, you don't feel like you're, just this big corporation that's, they want you to be successful and they're there to help you do it.